Hi guys, welcome or welcome back on my YouTube channel. It's me Anam, and today in this video I'm gonna show you the most quickest and easiest fall nail set. So let's get started. I have already prepped my nails, and after prepping my nails I'm using this double XL nail tip. You can get this from Amazon. You can find the link in my description box. I put these tips on my nails using nail glue, and after wearing this I feel like that these are pretty long, so I trimmed the nails. And I just had 30 minutes while I was doing these nails, because after 30 minutes I have to go somewhere out. So instead of encapsulating, I want that like encapsulated effect. So instead of encapsulating, I put a base coat underneath my nail, and then I put all the like glitter and 3D maple leaf and all that stuff inside my nails, like underneath part of my nail, and I cure it. And after that I apply top coat on it, and it works pretty well. I repeat this process on my middle finger and my pinky finger, and for my ring finger I'm going with like ombre effect. I don't know how to explain it, you guys can see it in my video. And by the way guys, I use only 2 gel pens in this nail set, and both of them are from Model Ones. On my index finger I'm going with French tip. On my middle finger and ring finger I'm just dividing the nails into 2 partitions. In one partition I'm applying gel paint, and in one I'm going with like clear encapsulated nail. I know this looks absolutely ugly right now, but trust me, this looks amazing after we decorate these nails with rhinestone. Done. Isn't this looking so cute? I am in love. I really love this design. This is really quick and easy nail design. Hope you guys also like this design, and hope you guys also like this video. Make sure to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Share this video with your family and friends. I'm gonna meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye.